Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third and last regular puzzle. The third and last regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Suguru. No. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, March the 28th, 2024. And let me continue with this third and last regular puzzle. The tectonic number. This will be number 6-2. No, correction, 8-2. 6-7. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. It's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3-star puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe it's a 1-star or 2-star puzzle. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1-star, 2-star, or a 3-stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Here single box, here single box, and there single box. Single boxes always a 1. Here 1, there 1, and here 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box, there a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. There's a 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Let me check. No triple boxes here. Then, how about quadro boxes? I see here 1 quadro box. Well, this box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this quadro box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadro box. For numbers 2 to 3. Let me mark those. 2 to 3. More quadro boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see. Here we have a shape here. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2. 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes, 2 out of 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left of 5 in this cross area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. This box can be 1. This box can be 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this cross area. For number 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. But also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1 and those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then let me see. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes disappear. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Here are also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright. Then. Let me think. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Well, if I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4, but we already have a 4 here. So it can be 4, this box. Should be 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left, 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 should be here. 1 box left for the 4, yeah. 3 to 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 to 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, and this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Alright. Then the wait. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. This box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 4 to 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 to 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 to 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 1 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow. Not the 3 stars. Not the 2 stars. Not the 1 star. It's a 0 stars puzzle. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and have a great and fantastic Maundy Thursday. Yeah, Maundy Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Friday, Good Friday. So until then, bye-bye for now.